Hi everyone, welcome back to Paracord Planet. So summer is in full swing, which was a little touch and go there in our neck of the woods. Winter stayed around for way too long. But you may not know this, we have a lab here at Paracord Planet, and I have been sweating bullets for the past couple of weeks trying to come up with some way to stay cool during these hot months. And finally came up with a solution: Paracord flavored ice cream. That doesn't sound right. Our solution was our brand new flavors of Paracord. So as you can see, we do have some flavors here. We have cherry, mint chocolate chip, and Neapolitan. All three would be a perfect choice on any hot summer day. But instead of eating it out of the container, on my bed crying like I normally do, today's video, we're gonna be making a Paracord ice cream cone. With that said, let's get paracording. So for our video today, we just did a little bit of prep work off air, and that does include this cone that we have made out of computer paper. We of course just wrapped it to make it look like a waffle cone and then taped it on the end together. We're also going to need 10 feet of 550 paracord, and today we have it in the color hen, making it look like it would be a waffle or sugar cone. We're going to need some scissors, and we're going to need some clear Scotch tape. To start our project, it is very, very easy today. We are just going to take our 550 paracord, we're going to start it on the bottom of our cone, and we're just going to take a little bit of tape, and we are going to tape that right to the bottom. And all this video is going to entail is just wrapping. So as long as you know how to wrap, you are going to be just fine for this project. And we are just going to take it and wrap it all the way around until we get a desired length on the cone that we're looking for. So there we have our Paracord ice cream cone, and if I do say so myself, it is looking delicious. Now, a little pro tip for you. Now, in the back here, we actually put a little strip of super glue just to make sure that our cords were going to stay where we wanted them to and they weren't going to slide around. That did work, but it took a little bit of time for the super glue to dry, so maybe some hot glue might work better for you. So while we did feature a couple different flavors of paracord in this video, that is just the tip of the ice cream cone. If you do click the link in the description below, that'll take you to all the different flavors that we do sell in our store. Thank you so much for checking out the video, and if it did help you, a like and subscribe is always appreciated. Don't forget, if there's something you want to see in a future video, just let us know in the comments below, and we'll be sure to get on that. Have yourself a great rest of the day today. We'll see you on the next video. I'm gonna go enjoy some ice cream.